Oh God. I being inside my room do nothing else is how even when everyone will got complaint me or when they stress me, I was so nothing wrong. Everyone is noisy and loud doing or peaceful. So I'm gonna have to need peace and quiet inside my bedroom. So I gonna do some of my work or doing something else. Of course I'm a slimmer body. I never doing exercise when I didn't going to gym. But let me see how I feel enough of it. Okay, here I go. Oh, oh my God, like what did I just do? My eyes is blue, but I have to go to bathroom to see with the mirror. Oh fuck. Holy shit, I'm a turning into a woman. Damn. My whole body is changing. Goddy man, I don't even know. I have looked for myself, please.
Oh God, where am I actually? And my body, so comfy. But my hair is already changed to blue hairstyle. I look so sexy and I'm pretty. Or I have my superpowers. Okay, okay, I need. Stop wasting the time. I have to get my new clothes. Now, how I look like. Oh, yes, I'm having polo shirt and necktie, dress, even my sack and shoes. Oh, I'm feel so good right now. All right, I have to go out and see everyone. How I look like a pretty. Of course, I'm Deva. I am from Gwain. Saga. I'm with them. I have power with me. So I need to get out this room. And I just want to have a peaceful, quite just what I wanted for me. Yeah.